Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Farah here. Today is May 1st, 2020. May 1st is a special holiday in some places around the world. It's called May Day, and it's a day to celebrate spring. Today, we're going to celebrate May Day together. We're going to make a maypole. We're going to learn a special May Day maypole dance. And we're going to watch some videos of other kids around the world enjoying a maypole dance. Okay, are you guys ready? Great. Let's get started with learning a little bit about May Day. Many years ago, May 1st, or May Day, was a magical time to welcome spring. On the night before May Day, children danced in the moonlit woods. They gathered spring flowers. They made crowns of daisies. Why not make a crown of daisies and celebrate May Day? You can celebrate it just as in the past. Read on and find out what would happen on May Day. When the sun rose, the May Day fun continued. Villagers met in the woods to choose the tree that would become the maypole. The chosen tree was the tallest, slimmest tree that could be found in the forest. So they looked for a tall, thin tree that looks a lot like the poles we have now. It was carried into the village, so they would have to cut it down and carry it into town. All the villagers paraded along with it. The villagers chose a May Queen. The new queen was crowned with fresh spring flowers. The villagers cheered and flung flower petals into the air. Yay! The crowd danced into the village square. The maypole was painted and decorated with ribbons, flowers, and bright handkerchiefs. The strongest people pushed and pulled until the maypole stood straight. Now it was time to dance around the maypole. We're going to make our own easy day May Day pole that's not as heavy as a real tree. You can be a queen or a king, or put the names of children in the basket and choose a king or queen for the May Day celebration. You can also make a crown of daisies. Put on your crown of daisies and the maypole is ready and set. And when you're ready, we're going to sing the May Day song. Ready? Here are the words. Dance around the maypole, in and out, in and out. Weave the ribbons tight. Round the maypole we will dance, to the left and right. One more time. Dance around the maypole, in and out, in and out. Weave the ribbons tight. Round the maypole we will dance, to the left and to the right. May Day around the world. Some countries still celebrate May Day. In France, May Day is a flower festival. Delicate white flowers called lilies of the valley are believed to bring good luck. In Denmark, sweethearts give each other bouquets of lilies of the valley. Holland celebrates May 1st with a tulip festival. On May 1st in Greece, the schools are closed, much like they are here, but we can still do our May Day celebration together online. The students trek into the woods to gather flowers. In some other countries, May is a day of parades. Ask your mom and dad or your grandma and grandpa or other family members how you celebrate May Day. Some people celebrate May Day by making crowns of daisies or by singing and dancing. Other people might collect flowers and leave May Day baskets for their friends and neighbors. Some people don't celebrate May Day at all, and that's okay too. How do you celebrate May Day? Let's watch a quick video together about some kids doing the May Day dance. Ready? See how they weave in and out, going under and over? Watch what the ribbons do around the pole as they do that. Does that look like a fun dance to you? I would love to try that with all of our friends at school. Can you start to see how it's weaving along the pole? You can barely see it there. There we go. There's a much better view. Look at how beautiful that pole's becoming from just a few ribbons. See the flowers on top and the ribbons all the way down? What a fun activity! Maybe that's something we could try at our school. Okay, boys and girls, now that we saw what a maypole dance looks like and what the maypole looks like when it's done, we're going to make our own maypole. And here's how. First, you're going to need a paper towel roll or a gift wrap roll. You know the cardboard piece that goes in the center of the paper towels or the wrapping paper? You're going to need some crepe paper or some ribbons or just some pieces of string. You might need a printer if you want to print off some flowers. You will need some glue, some scissors, and something to color with. You might also need some paper. Also, as you can see in this picture, somebody included little people. They made these ones out of clay. The instructions are, you can print out the template, the flowers, if you want to, or you can design your own. If you print them out already colored, then that's all you need to do. But if you printed out the ones that you have to color, your first step will be to color the flowers. Then you'll need to cut out the pieces out. If you need help with this, ask your mom or dad or other family member. Next, you're going to cover the roll with construction paper or some nice wrapping paper or color it to make it look pretty. Then you're going to glue or tape the flowers that you made all over the outside of the roll. If you didn't print flowers, go ahead and draw them now. You could also put on some stickers or anything else you want as decoration. Then you're going to attach a few pieces of crepe paper ribbon or string to the top of the pole. In our picture, they used a paper towel roll and cut the crepe paper in half to make it look thinner. The pole will stand up on its own if it's going to be decorative, but if you're going to play with it a lot, you might want to attach it to something so that it doesn't fall over. You could put it in an empty butter container with some Play-Doh at the bottom. You could take it outside and put it in some dirt or in the sandbox. Or you could tape it to a flat piece of cardboard. If you use this idea and you made your maypole, you can dance around it. You can sing Ring Around the Rosie, or you can sing our maypole dance song that we just learned, or maybe you'll want to sing one of the songs from one of the other YouTube videos that we're going to watch. The choice is up to you. Just have fun with it. Finally, we're going to upload a picture or a video of ourselves with our maypole. Maybe you just want to send me a picture of the maypole that you made. That's okay. Maybe you want to make a maypole and do a little dance with it and send me a video. That's okay too. Whatever you send me, I'd be happy to see it. Just make sure you're having fun. You can ask Mom and Dad and brothers and sisters to join too if you like. Well, boys and girls, that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned a lot about May Day and why we celebrate it. And I hope you have some fun celebrating at your house. Don't forget to send me the pictures or the videos so we can celebrate together. Happy May Day, everybody!